Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an SSL certificate on cPanel or WHM on CentOS or Linux. First, use the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool to generate a CSR and a private key. Save the private key code securely and share the CSR with SSL Dragon to obtain a CRT. In the common name field, use your domain name, in example, yourdomain.com, and in the email address field, use the associated email address, in example, info@yourdomain.com, as shown in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into separate files with the extensions .csr and .key, respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon, who will issue a CRT for you. In our example, we used demo-ssl-dragon.key and demo-ssl-dragon.crt, but you can use your own domain-specific names for these files. Now, you need to log into WHM using your credentials. Click the drop-down menu from the TSL/SSL button on the left panel. Choose Install SSL Certificate on a domain. Enter your domain name in the Domain tab as demonstrated in the video. Then, select the desired IP address from the drop-down menu for the domain you entered in the previous step. Paste the CRT file provided by SSL Dragon into the certificate block, as shown in the video. You can see the information extracted from the encrypted certificate just below the certificate box. Next, paste the .key file into the Private Key tab. In the Certificate Authority Bundle tab, paste the CA/intermediate certificate. Note: if there is an issue with any of the files, the button will show up as red instead of green. Click the Install button, and you will see a message on the screen confirming the successful installation of SSL. Go to the SSL Storage Manager and you will see the mapped certificate as shown in the video. To check the certificate, go to the URL in your browser and click on the padlock to see the certificate information. Thank you for watching this video. You can save 10% on any SSL certificate order on SSL Dragon by using the promo code YouTube10 at checkout.